Hi, Anna. How was your day today?
Hey, Mark. Oh, it was quite busy. I had meetings almost all morning, and then I had to go to the supermarket after work. How about you?
Mine was a bit more relaxed. I started with a morning jog in the park, and then I spent some time reading a new book. It was really peaceful.
That sounds nice. Did anything interesting happen during your jog?
Actually, yes. I saw a group of people practicing yoga in the park. They looked so calm and focused. It made me think I should try yoga sometime, maybe next week.
That's a great idea. I've been thinking about exercising more, but today I only managed to walk around the supermarket. It's small, but at least I was moving.
Absolutely. Every little bit counts. So, what did you buy at the supermarket?
Mostly fruits and vegetables, some eggs, and a few snacks for later. I like to have a little something ready for a quick break.
Snacks are always helpful. Did you have time for lunch today?
Yes, but it was really quick. I had a sandwich at my desk while answering emails. Not very relaxing, but it got the job done. How about you?
I had lunch with a friend at a nearby cafe. We chatted for a while, and it was a nice break from work.
That sounds lovely. I wish I had time for that. Did you do anything fun after lunch?
Not much, really. I spent some time reading a chapter from my book, and then I planned a little menu for dinner. Cooking helps me unwind.
Oh, I love cooking too. Today, I just made a simple salad, but I hope to try a more complicated recipe this weekend.
You should. It's fun to experiment. What's your plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm planning a short run in the morning, and then I might meet a friend for coffee. What about you?
I have a few errands to run, but I also want to spend some time reading and maybe watch a movie in the evening. A quiet day.
Sometimes quiet days are the best. They help recharge for the busier ones.
I agree. By the way, did anything unexpected happen today?
Yes. My computer froze during a meeting, and I had to restart it. It was a bit stressful, but I managed.
Oh no. That's always frustrating. Did you lose any work?
Luckily, no. Everything was saved automatically, but it reminded me to always double check my backups.
Smart move. I also had a little surprise today. I found an old photo album while cleaning my desk. It was fun looking back at old memories.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I love looking at old photos. It always makes me smile.
Yes, it reminded me of vacations and family gatherings. Sometimes it's nice to slow down and just remember the good moments.
Definitely. I try to do that too, especially after a busy day. Speaking of which, how do you usually relax after work?
I like cooking or reading. Sometimes I listen to music or take a short walk. It really depends on my mood.
That's similar to me. I sometimes take a warm bath or do a little journaling. It helps me process the day.
Journaling is a great idea. I should try that. By the way, did you have any small achievements today?
Mm, yes, I managed to finish all my emails before the end of work. That felt good.
That's excellent. I managed to clean my desk and organize my notes. It might seem small, but it really makes me feel accomplished.
I totally get that. Small wins are important. Even going for a walk, cooking a meal, or finishing a task can boost your mood.
Exactly. Oh, did you have any challenges today?
Well, besides the computer freezing, I felt a bit overwhelmed by the number of tasks, but taking short breaks helped.
That's good. Breaks are essential. I also try to step away from work for a few minutes when I feel stuck.
Speaking of breaks, did you eat any snacks today?
Yes, I had some nuts and a banana during the afternoon. They really gave me a boost.
That's smart. I had a chocolate bar. Maybe not the healthiest, but it cheered me up.
That's fine. Sometimes you just need a little treat.
True. So, overall, it seems our days were quite different, but productive.
Yes, I feel like talking about our day makes me notice even small moments that matter.
I agree. It's nice to reflect and appreciate the little things: a coffee break, a short walk, a good meal, or even finishing a task.
Absolutely. I think it also motivates us to plan tomorrow better and include things that make us happy.
Exactly. And sharing our day makes it more enjoyable.
Well, thanks for talking with me, Anna. I feel more relaxed now after reflecting on my day.
Me too, Mark. It's fun to share. Let's do this more often.
Definitely. See you tomorrow, Anna.
See you, Mark. Have a great evening.